But guys, finally I found a shoe shiner here. 200 rupees.
One side, ma'am, this side. Flat. this side.
செவ்வமணி வந்தான் காலைல அந்த 2 சவரி நான் போயிட்டு வரணும்னு அதோட ஆளக்கா
யூடியூப் இல்லை அது நேஷ்னல் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல்.
Which country, madam? Paris. Belize. Hello, India.
துணி எதுனா இருக்கு?
wait and see. I wanted to complain that thing, but you know what? Wait and see.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am? Okay.
Finish?
Finish.
Alright guys, this is it, my shoe shine video. It was not really what I was expecting, but at least my shoes are clean, and I'm gonna post the video because somebody's asking for a shoe shine. Everyone has their own way of shoe shining shoes, so this is this way, and I'm gonna be paying him now and 200 rupees, and that's it guys. I hope you enjoy it. I think he painted my skin too. I felt him actually polishing my skin a little bit because I think he got, so I'm gonna have a tattoo on top of having a shoe shine. That's okay. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Shoe problem. Yeah.
He has a shoe problem.
Pitching and protector.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to see about my shoe?
Wait.
Okay.
This coming.
Outside?
This side.
This one?
This side. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Perfect.
Yeah.
Wait. Like you.
Oh.
What's it?
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I can't be showing off skin, guys.
I think
Can't be showing too much leg. So I will see you guys, and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Bye bye. I hope you like it. Bye. From Chennai. Chennai is
Chennai West
Chennai.
Chennai Mambalam.
And what is your name?
Chennai Veshmambalam. Chennai 633.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye-bye, guys. Hey, look at my... No, look. I have shiny shoes.